What's up? Welcome back to Modern Traders. I'm Ben. I'll be your host. Before we get started, I want to invite you over to the Discord. It is free to join, and we do have daily callouts and resources. Modern Traders LLC on Insta and ModernTradersLLC.com. And we do put a lot of work into trying to get these videos out almost daily for you. So if you get anything out of it, please remember to like and subscribe. Get us a little love with the YouTube algorithm. So I thought it was time to do an update video on Palantir, especially after today's price action. Now, Palantir is a data analytics company, in a nutshell. There are two systems. Foundry is a system that basically takes a company's raw data, their emails, their stored files, just everything you can imagine, and compiles it into and organizes it into a something usable and manageable that can be applied to their second system. Um, their second system, which is called Gotham. And Gotham essentially takes that information gathered and organized from Foundry and then applies it into whatever is necessary to help streamline the business that the company that they're working for. The Gotham side of the program will just take that information and apply it to streamlining orders, streamlining whatever you name it, depending on the company. I mean, there's applications for this in government defense contracts. There's applications in this for pretty much every company in the Fortune 500. And they have a lot of those companies as clients, and that is an important thing to keep in mind when assessing the value of Palantir going into the future. Now, you can see here Palantir has a pretty big catalyst with the multi-year strategic partnership with Cellularity, which personally kind of terrifies me because they're applying this artificial intelligence analytics to cellular biology and stem cell research, and I don't really see the applications that don't lead to a Terminator type situation, but whatever. Something is a pretty big catalyst. It's going to be a money maker, at least up until Skynet's launched. And this is something that I should see, that we would expect to see a catalyst from, something that would send this running since it's already been at pretty low levels. And there's a string of other catalysts too that have been coming out just recently. Palantir has the U.S. Coast Guard reduced partnership with Palantir to fight COVID-19. More deals should lead. Investors place an article about more deals that they've had that should lead to gains for Palantir. Big government contracts, which obviously are the mother of contracts. The private sector, companies like 3M and IBM. And taking a look at the graph, you can see the last 5 days it has been on a constant downtrend. And taking a look at the year to date, you see that we did start the year about the same level now at $23 range before spiking up to highs at the $40 range. And I do expect to see a return to those levels in the near future when the market does go green, which might not be until June, guys. And look at it here. You can see it held that 22 level support quite a while until just today, and it broke below and is now at the support at the $20 level, which is a pretty prime entry point before cooling off to that 22 level. And I would love to see a $19 entry point. And of course, the biggest, most important catalyst for us at Modern Traders is Kathy Wood and ARK Invest dumping money into the company, buying the dip, which is always something we'd like to see. So this is something to keep an eye on. I would like to see it pull back a little farther to that 19-18 level for an excellent entry point for long-term plays, entry point for contract plays, call plays that are several months out, guys, because we do expect to see a little bit of a downtrend throughout May. Some bounces along the way, dead cat bounces, but relatively flat throughout the. So something to keep on your radar. Till next time, I'm Ben. This is Modern Traders. Thanks for stopping by.